What is up, people? It's your boy Reds, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Rivals game on your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on browse scripts and click on Rivals, so it should load up, and then guys we will enter our Roblox username. So don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here, and it's public info. So yeah, just continue with your username, guys. I will enter mine, click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys, and you should get confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and we're successfully connected. And now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use these scripts. But don't worry, guys, because we can import now Delta executor. So if you already have Delta executor, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. I currently have no any executor, so I will import newest Delta. So click there, guys, and you will get option for additional scripts to install. So it's the key moment where we select our script. So we will get it on Rivals. So guys, I will go with Overflow, NICUs and Solix Hub. With these three, you can Google them and see what they do. So I will just go with this three, click continue, guys, and let's see, is it actually working? So guys, it will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And look at this, API is connected, our three scripts are selected and ready, and our activation key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see, are we actually getting it? So nice, guys, look at this. Thank you for passing the bot check. Rival scripts imported, our user connected, our user account connected, and our key is fully revealed. So guys, before this verification successful page, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks. You will have a list, just choose two simple tasks, complete them, and you will get this verification successful page. Your user account will be connected and you will get your unique key. So also you will get imported Rival script. So let's open right now and let's see, is it actually working? So let's open my Roblox and then we'll open Rivals and we will see, is it actually working? I'm so excited to see, guys. Okay, nice. We got our Delta fully activated. Let's check up for the scripts, guys. Boom. Solix Hub, NICUs and Overflow, just as we selected, guys. I'm so excited because we actually got this imported. And let's start a single game now and let's see, is it actually working? So let me click play. Let's click this beginner 2v2 because it's my brand new account for testing these websites. And guys, let's wait for this queue and let's allow it to search for any game. When we go to the game, let's go. So when we go to the game, we will open our any of these scripts that we have imported, and it's the last test. So is it actually working or no? Okay, it's still searching. Okay, let's wait a little bit, guys. I should find a new game really quick. Okay, is it starting? Yeah. Okay. Nice. Now we will start Solix Hub, for example. Let's click execute, guys. And now let's see, are we actually getting our, okay. Okay, guys, look at this. We actually got our Rival script working. Look at this. We can enable aimbot, guys. And look at this. Did you see that? It automatically killed that guy. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. You can open or close your menu. You can go with every single option you can test. You can use no clip as well. Let me click there. You can fly as well, guys. It works sick. Let me close this. Okay. So when we respawn, we will try to fly and to use no clip. We already enabled our aimbot. So guys, it works amazing. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working one so far, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.